What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So I've got the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and I think you should buy this because, man, from the Z Flip 5, there's been even better refinements with this, starting off with this refined design. So the build quality feels very reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 series, and look at the sides. It's completely flattened out like the Galaxy S24 and the 24 Plus. Not only that, there's a substantial less of a crease in the inner display when compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which honestly, I think it's a thing we should be talking about because there are consumers out there, and I've gotten this comment before, why talk about the crease? Because there are consumers out there that just get annoyed with the crease, and I do understand. And yes, it's a foldable, it's going to happen to be there, but you can kind of bring the crease down to a minimum, and this definitely is like that. Head on, you're not looking at the crease, but obviously if you look at your phone at an angle, yes, you'll see the crease, and if you run your finger up and down on the screen, then yes, you're gonna feel a very, very slight crease, but not as heavy and not as deep as the Galaxy Z Flip 5, whereas like your finger literally just goes right in the screen and comes right back out. This is just not like that. So Samsung did a really good job with the crease with this display. It's also max 2600 nits of peak brightness. I absolutely love this. It's a Samsung panel. What do you expect? You're expecting great quality, and that's exactly what it is. It's still a taller aspect ratio than your normal, conventional smartphone, but watching YouTube videos, playing games, just everything you do on your smartphone on this display has been phenomenal. Not only that, in the hardware aspect, they also did add a new 50 megapixel, which is borrowed from the Galaxy S24, and camera quality has been great. Like, if you finally feel like you're getting a flagship level camera. It doesn't have a triple camera setup, still is dual camera setup, and it's great. I can easily recommend this phone for those who were kind of hesitant with previous flip devices because of the camera quality. This has performed great. And also, the camera ring right here, it's color-coded with the color of your flip that you end up buying. I have right here the silver, and this is a super, super clean silver of the Z Flip 6. I know there's different colors as well. There's like this white, a peach type of color, a crafted black, but I went ahead and with the poll that I put on my community tab, I pretty much was told to pick this up. This one got the most votes, so thank you guys for voting. And usually that's what I do when a new iPhone comes out. Probably end up doing a poll for that too, so stay tuned. But yeah, you should definitely check out my community tab because I usually update things and share with you guys just deals and everything like that, so definitely be sure to check that out. Another reason why I think you should pick up the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is finally the battery life. The battery life, the Flip 5 was a great upgrade, but this is also a very good upgrade. First of all, it has a larger capacity, 4,000 milliamp hour battery. That's like the same as the Galaxy S24, and paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which also performs very well, by the way, that equates to better battery life. So you're getting a slightly larger physical battery and also a better chipset that's going to help with battery efficiency, and this will get you throughout the entire day, so you don't need to worry about battery life. And yes, it has wireless charging. It doesn't have the fastest wire charge. It's not like 45 watts or like 80 watts like that, but still it's going to last you throughout the entire day. And also the fact that there's a vapor chamber built into this phone for the first time, that's also going to hopefully equate to a little bit of a better battery life. And obviously you want to pick this up because of its performance. Like I said, this feels like a flagship Z Flip device. Finally, again, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has been phenomenal. So latest and greatest chipset. We're now getting 12 gigs of RAM instead of 8 gigs of RAM with the Galaxy Z Flip 6. So that's a very nice welcome. Thank you, Samsung, for throwing in 12 gigs of RAM instead of keeping it at 8 because we're paying a higher price tag. And also, like I said, that vapor chamber for the first time, it's actually larger than the vapor chamber found in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but that's something that hopefully will help with heat dissipation. And so far, I haven't had this phone really heat up at all in my time of using it. But everything else has been buttery smooth, from watching videos to using Twitter or Threads, just browsing on Google Chrome, writing emails and everything like that. It's been very good. I can definitely recommend it for the performance. I truly feel like this is a great Z Flip, and for most people I can finally recommend it, especially if you want that form factor which helps with the refined design and you're getting a usable front display. Again, you can use Good Lock and pretty much use any app on you on this front screen, which is great if you don't want to just you want to use a smaller display, or you just want to check the time real quick. You pick it up and there you go, you got the time already. But if you want to use the actual phone, like the entire screen, just flip it open. If you're on a phone call and you're done, just go like that. You end the phone call, you're all set to go. But good job, Samsung. Seriously, I applaud you for the Galaxy Z Flip 6. I've been using the Flip series since the Flip 3 in 2021, which really did help with the channel's growth. And I've been using the Flip series since, with the 4 and the 5 and now the 6. And I'm already excited for next year. And I know that's way too early to say, but I really am a fan of the Flip series. Each year I recommended this, but this year obviously it's the best of the best, a flagship Z Flip that I can finally recommend to even more people who really do want a flagship. 85% of what I called with the S24. I called that 85% of Galaxy S24 Ultra. I think it's the same here, just in a smaller form factor, because you can fold it. So if you want most of what you get with the S24 Ultra just in a flippable, this is it. It's sturdy, it's refined, it's powerful, it's great. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. And also definitely be sure to check out my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Urban Glow. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below, and definitely be sure to stay tuned for more videos coming very soon to the channel. Lots of phone unboxings, lots of phone comparisons, phone reviews, just me talking about phones and sharing my thoughts and experience about the tech, not just phones, but just tech that's coming out. Google's coming out real soon, Apple, iPhones, and hopefully iPads. We'll see, iPad mini. I'm really hoping for that. That's going to come out real soon, but I hope you guys did enjoy. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.